So in this problem, we're calculating the standard deviation, and I'm going to do that by hand. Now, I'll also include a video. The second video is going to be the video that helps you calculate standard deviation using your scientific calculator. So to find standard deviation, the first thing that we need to know is we need to know the mean of this data set. That means we have to add the values up and divide them by 5. So when I do that, so when I added all my values up, I got the sum to be 95.5, and then I divided by 5. There's 5 of them, and so my mean ended up being 19.1. So standard deviation basically wants you to figure out how much do your individual data values vary from that mean. And so then the next step is going to be to list out, well, we don't have to list them out. Basically, we're going to subtract the mean from each data value. So 20.1 take away 19.1. Then 25.9 take away 19.1 is 6. 21 point minus. So I'm just subtracting the mean from data value here. Like so. Now I'm getting those numbers. Then 13 minus 19.1 is negative 6.1. And the last deviation is negative 4.2. All right, then the next step is to square these deviations. Everything that we found, we're going to square, multiply by itself. So 1 times 1 is 1. 6.8 times 6.8 is 46.24. Next deviation is 6.25 squared. And then negative 6.1 times negative 6.1 is a positive 37.21. And 4.2 times 4.2 is 17.4 positive. Okay, and then after you do that, then the next step is to basically find the average of those square deviations. So I'm going to add them up. 1 plus 46, 4 plus 0.5 plus 1, 17.4. So I've added them up to be 8.34. And here's where it differs from the mean a little bit, because you're not dividing by 5. You're going to divide by 1 less than 5. I'm going to divide it by 4 actually. And my result is 27.085. And then the very last step is to take a square root of that to undo the squaring that we did. I'll take a square root of that number, 27.05, and get my answer to be rounded to 2 decimal places, 5.20. That's what I have. Okay.